Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. We're going to have a great week this week. I know we have a lot going on. We're going to be very busy over the next month or 2 months. This month we'll be busy with practice testing and getting ready for the big state test. And then next month in April, the whole month of April, we're going to be busy doing the actual state test. Now, we're putting the testing schedule up on our website. We're going to get it out to all of you as a hard copy, and we're going to have it posted around the campus. So everybody should know what days your grade is going to be tested and what test you're going to be taking on each day. So we're going to have that schedule out to you. It's not going to be a surprise to anybody, but we're going to be very busy doing the practice tests and then doing the real tests, and we're all going to have to be very flexible about where we go to different places and when we're testing and when we're going to be back in class. So starting tomorrow on Wednesday, we'll be giving the Social Studies LEAP practice test. That's the first practice test we're going to give. The Social Studies test has 3 parts, so testing is going to take place on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of this week. Remember that Friday of this week is an early dismissal day. Students will be dismissed at 11:30, and teachers will have professional development after that this Friday. So students, remember to tell your parents, this Friday, 11:30, early dismissal. The test is going to be given during advisory classes. Now, some of us are going to have to move a little bit for advisory classes, but for the most part, you'll be testing in advisory classes. We will let you know what your groups are before tomorrow. As a result, we will be able to have an adjusted instructional day, and all classes will meet after the test. So we're going to expand advisory to do the test. When we're finished the test each day, we'll go into our normal classes, and we are going to meet with each class period during that day. So Mr. Boyle will let you know what the schedule is going to be like after testing each day. Teachers will meet with Ms. Greer in the library at the very beginning of your planning period today to discuss the logistics of giving that test. So everybody needs to be ready. And students, you need to make sure that you give your all on these practice tests, because that's the only way to know how you're going to perform on the real test is if you really give all of your effort for the practice test. 8th graders, we're starting to plan your end of the year activities. We're so excited to celebrate the end of this year with you. You're a great class, a great group, and we're just excited to do all these great things for you. On May 9th, you have your blue carpet event. That's the big dance party. That's going to be at Boudreaux's at 5:30. On May 11th, you have your 8th grade graduation ceremony. That's going to be at 5:30 here in the gym. And then on May 12th, you have your final big break during the 5th block in our gym here. Students, you've received your informational packets. If you don't have your informational packet, you need to talk to your math teacher. Make sure that you get that. Budgets can be paid online or in person to Ms. Raymond. Students must have a balance of $100 in Kickboard to participate. There are no exceptions to this rule. If you do not have $100, you will not be able to participate. Make sure that you do what you have to do to get that $100 and be able to participate in the end of the year stuff. In addition to that, anyone who has a suspension for any reason between now and May and the events, you will not be able to participate if you are suspended for any reason. So make sure that your behavior is on point so that you don't get suspended for any reason so that you can participate in all of these activities. Again, there are no exceptions to these rules. It doesn't matter how many parents come in and beg and plead and say, oh, come on, it's their last year, it's their last chance. Sorry, I gave them all the information. I gave them the requirements in March, and they didn't make it. Sorry. Girls track tryouts have been moved to Wednesday and Thursday of this week because of the bad weather. Please make sure you bring your packets to Coach Romare. Boys track tryouts are also the 8th and the 9th, Wednesday and Thursday of this week. You must have a completed packet with a physical to Coach Coogan. Teachers, we called this morning for all youth legislature students to meet in the North Cafeteria, so please send all youth legislature students. Students, get out there and sell that cookie dough. Cookie dough sales have begun, and that sale is going to go through March 22nd. Students, please turn in your money when you have finished selling, and the prizes will be awarded to our top 3 sellers. Finally, this morning, I want to remind you about one of our homerooms, and I'm talking to you right now, Ms. Boyd and Dr. James's homeroom. I'm so proud of you for coming up with a community service project to help the community and help the needy help people who need more than us. I'm so proud of the students in that class, and especially Angela. I believe it was her idea. So thank you, Angela, for coming up with that. Everybody else can help with this project. This class is doing a coupon drive. So any kind of coupon, especially food coupons that you can find if they get mailed to your house or if you pick them up at a restaurant, any kind of food coupons, you can bring those in, give them to your homeroom teachers. And teachers, please put those coupons in Miss Erica Boyd's mailbox. And this class is going to donate all of their coupons from the coupon drive to needy families of Baton Rouge through either the food bank or some other charity. We're so proud of you. That is what we expect of Westdale students to represent Westdale. Thank you for your attention this morning. Remember to come to school prepared to learn, read every day, obey the rules, take care of each other, and success will follow.